Emily from the Wrestling Teen Center, and today we're going to be doing some fun and awesome DIY do-it-yourself projects at home that I've tried that I want to share with all of you. Take some simple steps and I hope you enjoy. So as I mentioned, we're going to be doing the body scrub and lip scrub. So first, for the body scrub, what you will need is 1/2 cup ground coffee, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup coconut oil, and a medium-sized container with a lid, so you can cover it once you're done creating your body scrub. If you want to add some essential oils or scents to your body scrub, if you have anything laying around, you can use a lavender oil like I'll be using today, and of course your spoon to mix everything together. For the second scrub we'll be doing will be a lip scrub. What you will need is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a small container with lid, and this is optional again if you want a scent. I'm going to be using vanilla extract today, and of course your spoon for mixing. One thing you want as well is a Sharpie just to label your mask and lip scrub when you're done. Now, where you can use this body scrub is in the shower. So what you're gonna do is, I already have a lot on my hands, so what you're gonna do is, let's say you take a little amount on your hand and you're gonna scrub it. Now, if you hear that sound, it's gonna be like sand rubbing against your skin, and this is the coffee grinds exfoliating your skin. So you can do this for about a good 1 to 3 minutes in the shower, all over, and then you rinse off with hot water. You will notice once you get out of the shower that your skin will be glowing. And that is it for our body scrub. So now we're going to move on to our lip scrub, and I have all my ingredients in front of me. Thank you guys for joining me in today's DIY activity. I hope you can share this with your friends and family at home, and make sure you exfoliate. Bye now.